These are the OrthoComfoot men's fashion sneakers. Kind of a casual sneaker look to them. These are sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. I've had a couple of different pairs of shoes from OrthoComfoot, and I like them. I like the way they feel. These are actually a really great looking pair of shoes. Been wearing these for a couple of days. I wear a size 13 wide. They came true to size for me in my case, and they actually feel really comfortable. Kind of a little wingtip thing going on here. They're 100% leather. You've got a decent sized EVA sole on here, shock absorbing sole. When they shipped, they arrived with these guys in the toe boxes to keep everything in shape, which I thought was great. And they also send you a set of lower support soles if you should want those. They look pretty good too with regular pants or jogging pants or whatever you want to wear with them. Look good enough to wear around the office. The stitching on here looks fantastic, and let me show you the soles that you get with these. You've got a really nice looking orthotic sole on here with a memory foam, and it's got those like massaging bumps on here, which I think is great. It's got this hard TPU stuff on here, which feels great on my arches in particular. And it's got the shock absorbing pads on the heel and right up here under the base of the foot, which is just a fantastic feeling thing. And while I've got this open, you can see the stitching in here looks really good. They did a nice job on these, I think. They're not super light, but they're not super heavy at all. The orthopedic insert feels great. My arches feel fantastic in these. I have a wide foot and it feels very good for me. I've been wearing these for about 3 or 4 days and they're not 100% broken in. I can tell in a couple of days or so they're going to be fine. The traction on here, it doesn't look like it's going to be much, but I was pleasantly surprised while walking through grass or concrete or carpet or anything. The traction actually holds up really well. If I had one complaint about these, I'd say the laces are a little bit long. When I tie them all the way up, it doesn't hit the ground or nothing, so that's fine. And these are advertised to help with plantar fasciitis and Achilles tendonitis and flat feet and that kind of stuff. And in my case, the arch support on here has been fantastic. Great looking set of shoes, looks great with jeans, with dress pants, anything. Looking forward to wearing these this summer and wearing them into the office. Men's fashion sneakers.